All right, 2006 Scion TC passenger side CV axle, bearing housing removal. This is what I did. I've seen a couple other videos online, similar style axle. I've seen one guy cut the axle. I've seen somebody press it out with a hydraulic press, which would have been my preference. I've seen guys tap it out. That's usually when it's not too seized up. And there's another video of somebody bracing this up against concrete steps and then using a big sledgehammer to tap it on this side and get it out. So pretty much what I did was, initially I tried to take this out. I took the whole axle out and I had the whole assembly out and I couldn't get it off. I was just trying to tap on it and I couldn't get it off. I put it back into the car, bolted it back up. Then I tried tapping out from this side. I didn't really have the best angle or a big enough sledgehammer. I couldn't pry it out with a pry bar. So then what I did is I took it back out. I used PB Blaster. I soaked it for like 20 minutes. And then I hit it with the Bernzo. Right? I hit it with the Bernzo for about a minute and a half. Just around this area right here. You don't have to get it glowing red or anything like that. You don't want to get it so hot that it's malleable and you deform this housing. So just hot enough till, I pretty much did it till the PB Blaster started boiling and caught on fire. But anyways, after I did that, I was able to get this off just by hitting a hammer lightly, again, tapping it. And I'd spin this around as I'd tap it, and it eventually came off. But yeah, that's on there pretty good. Anyways, that's how I got it off. Heat and PB Blaster. Right, lady?